Feeling lost at the beginning of your UPSC journey? The extensive syllabus and ever-changing current affairs can be daunting. But don't worry, you're not alone. With the right mentorship and strategy, success is closer than you think. At VisionIAS Delhi, we don't just teach, we mentor, guide and simplify your UPSC preparation. Comprehensive syllabus coverage for Prelims, Mains, CSAT and essay, structured step by step. Current affairs made easy. Stay updated with PT 365 and Mains 365. Personalized mentorship, one-on-one guidance to improve your weak areas. Regular tests and feedback, track progress, analyze mistakes and improve consistently.